Oh, uh, hey. I didn't expect you to stop by. Now's not really a good time. No. I'm not ignoring you. I've just been busy, is all. No offense, dork. But you're being kinda nosy, aren't you? You don't have to worry about me. I'm fine. The party? There's nothing to talk about. I left early because I got sick. Sorry to worry you. Oh, shit. Did you walk here? Come on, get inside. Are you thirsty or anything? I have coffee with some vanilla creamer if you want. It was kinda chilly outside, so maybe it'll warm you up. Here. I made it like an hour ago. I hope it's fine. You know, you really should be more careful when coming over. Not that I hate these surprise visits. It's just that it would suck for you to get caught in the rain on your way here. Then again, you always did like puddles. You really are reckless. I wish you would care a little more about your own safety. Sorry I've been kind of absent this week. How have you been? You're still on about this? Look, I'm fine. Can we just drop it? There's nothing wrong. I am not being short. Am not. God. Why are you always so stubborn? It's not a big deal, so please. I don't want to fight. I was really trying to avoid this. Oh, is that your, you'd better take it then.
Hey baby, is this a bad time? Sorry, I'll call you back later when you're not busy. Love you.
What? Oh, sorry. What were you talking about? For the last time. I'm fine. Hey, normally I'd love to have you over for a while, but maybe you should leave. It's not pouring too hard anymore. You can use my umbrella for the trip home. I'm not kicking you out. I just need to be alone. That's all. Look, it has nothing to do with you or that guy, all right? Can you just leave? Here, just... Jealous? Why would you... I don't... Can't you just go? I'm tired of dealing with this bullshit. Why can't you just leave me alone? Fine. I'm jealous, okay? Is that what you want to hear? That I don't go a day without thinking about you, and every time I do think about you, I just fall apart. When I'm with you, it's like no one else is really there, you know? All I see is you. It's bad. I know. It's stupid. Forget it. I don't want to talk about this. I shouldn't have met him. I knew it was a bad idea. But I just wanted to see it for myself. The guy that makes you happy. I mean, I needed to see it. I don't think you should even be here right now. He could get the wrong idea. I'm sorry. You can let yourself out. What are you? Why? Why did you do that? It's fine. I mean, it's not fine. It's really not fine. In fact, it's really fucking awful. Why would you kiss me? You don't know? I'm sorry. That's not good enough for me. I just need to hear it. With my own ears. What am I to you? Honestly. Stop that. I'm serious. You're not messing with me, right? Why the hell did you wait so long? I guess we have to figure out what happens from here now. I mean, if we're actually choosing this, if you're choosing me, it's up to you. I'm happy if you are. Thank you for this. Genuinely. I promise I'll take care of you.